is the paradox of value explained by market equilibrium. Have you ever wondered why water, something we need to survive, is so cheap, while diamonds, which we can live without, are so expensive? This question leads us to the paradox of value. Let's break it down together. The paradox of value highlights a curious situation in economics. It shows that essential goods like water have low prices, while non-essential items like diamonds command high prices. To understand this, we need to look at a few key concepts: utility, marginal utility, scarcity, and market equilibrium. First, let's talk about utility. Utility refers to the satisfaction or usefulness a person gets from a good. Water has a high total utility because it is essential for life. However, when we consider marginal utility, which is the extra satisfaction from consuming one more unit of a good, things change. Water is often abundant in many areas. Because of this abundance, the marginal utility of an additional liter of water is low. The first few liters are incredibly valuable, but as we get more, each additional liter adds less value. This is why water remains cheap. On the other hand, diamonds are rare. Their limited supply creates scarcity, which increases their value. People want diamonds, but there are not many available. This scarcity drives up the price, even though diamonds are not essential for survival. Now let's connect this to market equilibrium. Market equilibrium is the point where the quantity of a good that people want to buy equals the quantity that sellers want to sell. This balance sets the price. When a good is scarce and in high demand, like diamonds, the equilibrium price will be high. Conversely, when a good is abundant, like water in many places, the equilibrium price tends to be low. So, while market equilibrium helps us understand how prices are set, it does not fully explain the paradox of value. The paradox is better understood by combining the concepts of marginal utility and scarcity. Water's low price stems from its abundance and low marginal utility, while diamonds' high price comes from their scarcity and higher marginal utility for consumers. If water were to become scarce, its price would rise. People would value each additional unit more, which would shift the market equilibrium. This shows that market equilibrium reflects the relationship between supply and demand but does not solely explain the paradox. In summary, the paradox of value is best understood by looking at how utility and scarcity shape demand and supply. Market equilibrium plays a role in determining prices, but the real story lies in understanding why some goods are cheap and others are expensive.